Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky Man, whiskey and kicks.
Yeah.
All right, last but not least.
Oh, there's a third joint.
Yeah, well, I had two, and then
You
I
did.
had, Trina
Yep.
had a joint, whatever. You already know what these are, probably, but.
Oh, yeah. These are those. These are those.
These are those.
These are those.
These are those.
You gotta love these.
It's the perfect summer shoe.
You gotta love them.
I'm so happy about
They
these.
were designed with summer in mind.
Yes.
Period. Point blank.
Oh, man.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Beautiful sneaker, yo.
The felt all over them
Yep.
with the shiny, whatever this fabric is here.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting, right? Does have a little shimmer to it.
Yeah. I mean, these are those.
I don't think I've owned a pair of 180s before.
I don't think I've ever had a pair of these either. And I didn't realize that they were still the sock joints.
Yeah,
where the
man.
tongue is still,
Yup.
They didn't change them from the originals.
Nope.
Put the 180 and debossed on the back heel. You got
Yes,
the gigantic air bubble.
Yup.
You got that classic 80s, electric orange, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah,
You know
I like
what I
that.
mean? with the cobalt blue in there, and then you got the same felt on the blue that you have inside of the sneaker that you have that goes all around.
What is that check though? What is that material, son?
It's kind of like a I don't know what that is.
Like a nubuck, maybe?
I thought it was a nubuck, but then when
it's
you
a little different, right?
Yeah, it's a little different.
Can't
It's
figure it
tough though. Yeah.
They did a good job with these retros.
It was a good idea to bring these back out.
As soon as they announced them months ago, I was like, I am all over these, yo. As soon as they come out. And I was not all over them as soon as they came out. I got them aftermarket. I got them off the aftermarket.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Tough though, son. The summer is ready for these. You see the laces already ready.
They ready to go.
You know.
They're ready to go.
They're ready to go, son.
They're ready. These are tough, man. Mm-hmm. These are tough.
Yeah, I'm gonna step out in these.
You can't beat that.
Nope.
You can't beat that. You can't. You can't. These were designed for a plain white t-shirt.
Oh gosh, all day.
That's it.
All day.
That's it.
All day. Taj made me so happy. Now I visited him for his graduation and all that.
Yeah. Shout out to T Gutter for the graduation situation, man.
Indeed. Shout out to Taj. You know what I'm saying? He was talking about how he travels to, I don't know if it was a place downtown Brooklyn or maybe in Manhattan, just for his white t-shirts. Just for his
when
white
you got
t-shirts.
a spot, you got to go with that spot.
You got to go with that spot.
You got to go with that spot.
I was like, well, is it like a bulk situation? You're like, nah, just go grab a bunch of them. He's like, the quality is just.
That's just it. He didn't want to put you on?
No, I don't need that. I'm out of that. My white t-shirts come from like Banana Republic and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's me.
And I got some of my own brands that the heavier joints. Anyway, I digress.
Yeah.
These joints are tough, B. They tough, man. Just clean joints and
that off-white over the white, the white satin situation. It's just, you know what I mean? Right? It's just such a good situation. Wait a second. I just noticed that the air on the back is stitched in.
It sure
That's
is.
Nice.
Nice little touch.
That's nice. That
that's
thin line
stitch right there.
is nice.
Yep.
Nice touch. Very nice touch. You got the 180 on the tongue.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man. Good stuff right there. Son.
Yeah, man.
I'm happy.
Those are solid joints, man. You can't. I mean,
just got
there's nothing left to say.
Just got 2 big boxes of sneaker boxes that came in today.
Oh yeah.
So these puppies have a home.
They got somewhere to.
And they got the blue joints.
They got somewhere to reside.
Right.
Oh, you got the blue joints?
Yeah, I got some of the blue joints, whatever. I didn't even realize, I'm just sitting here now. It's like perfectly matched.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, that's it, baby. That's it. Now the public can get slaughtered, as Joe would say.
It's time. It is time.
It's time, man. Gin is good.
The gin is fantastic.
I see how I tore mine up faster than you did yours.
Yeah,
It's
no.
It's all good, man. It's all good. It's a gin right there.
Yeah.
Treat it with respect.
Yeah, man.
That's it. Good to go.
Some good money, man.
We out.
Brought to you, keep talking about this team.